Horsescotland, the national organisation for all equestrian sports and activity in Scotland, is delighted to announce that the British Horse Society Scotland has joined as a full member. The Horsescotland board warmly endorsed the British Horse Society BHS application to join Horsescotland at its board meeting held on the 25th of January 2013. Stephen MacGregor, Horsescotland chair, stated, "Reaching this point has been a long-term goal of Horsescotland, and I'm delighted that after considerable work by previous boards and officers, we are now in a position to warmly welcome the BHS on board." The BHS membership of Horsescotland signals an important step in the development of the Scottish equestrian sector and demonstrates the spirit of collaboration that will move equestrian activity in Scotland forward. Baillie, Horsescotland Chief Operating Officer, added, "Having the BHS as a full member is further recognition of the sterling work that's been carried out by the staff and volunteers of the BHS and Horsescotland, as we deliver on our joint commitment to increase the overall levels of participation and equestrian activity in Scotland. It's important that we now build on the standards which have already been set and strive to continue to improve in the coming years." Lorraine Young, the chairperson of the BHS Scotland, also added, "We are all best served by equestrian organisations working together to achieve greater cohesion, and we look forward to the British Horse Society taking an active role in assisting Horsescotland to thrive, develop and expand equestrianism." Helen Mullen, the BHS Scottish Development Officer, said, "The aim of BHS is to improve the lives of Scotland's equines. With our safety, welfare, access and training work at the heart of an effective Horsescotland, we are all stronger. We look forward to a fruitful partnership with Horsescotland and all the member bodies."